Hey, JT here. I hope this finds you well. It is October 22nd, 2020, Thursday. We are coming into the election fast and furious. We have a debate tonight, and then just a couple weeks away, we will have the election. And I thought it was good for us all to take a little bit of a step back from this really emotionally charged year, politically and several other ways as well with the pandemic and things like that, and just think about what it means to be a good investor. When Barack Obama got in office, I had several clients that were really worried that the world was coming to an end and their accounts in kind would be negatively affected. And then when President Trump got in office, I had another group of people that felt strongly the other way, that also things would be negatively affected. And more so this year, I feel like people are really worried, regardless of what you personally believe. There's people on both sides of the aisle that are really worried about if this person stays in office or this person gets in office, what will happen ultimately to my account. And I'm not trying to downplay that. There's definite, concerns to be had, and it's very important to our country, who the president is. But I just want us to remember for a moment that we don't invest in presidents and governments. We are investing in companies, and companies like McDonald's and a lot of these good companies that we've had around for a very long time are pivoting and figuring out ways to navigate not just this pandemic alone, but also whichever government body is regulating them. If their taxes go up, they figure out a way to maneuver, because they're trying to make a profit for their shareholders and keep their employees going. So I just wanted to share this graph for us all to take a look at. And this is how the name of this is, how much impact does the president have on stocks? And you'll see back here 1929 through the 1930s, and then once the stock market was really regulated, after the Great Depression, you will see that we've had an upward trajectory of stocks. And this is regardless if the president has been a Democrat or a Republican. As they've changed hands, you can see that the long run trajectory is that stocks have gone up. And that is because we are an innovative people. We figure out a way to make things work. Companies evolve, they adapt, and as good investors, we should not hang our hats solely on who the next president should be. We should have discipline. We should stick to our plan. We should have a long-term vision and not make any short-term knee-jerk reactions based on strong emotions, regardless of our political affiliation. So I just want to reach out and let you know that regardless of how this election goes, we will figure out a way to navigate through it. Me as your advisor will help you with your personal goals, but the market in general has a tendency to work itself out, and it has done that year over year over year. And we need to have faith in Americanism and the way that people will be able to navigate through any obstacles that come their way. So I hope this helps. Feel free to reach out to me anytime so we can discuss your personal situation in detail. But thanks for watching. Hang in there. I know it's crazy times, and maybe one day we'll actually get through it, hopefully sooner rather than later, and we can go on to focusing on other things. But appreciate you being with us, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.